So Carla's not here today, so we're just gonna continue. That's right. So I see you've already grabbed our book for the day, which is called Pen Pals. And if you open it up, you already notice that inside, this story is written a little differently. What do you notice when you open it up inside?
There's letters.
That there's letters, that's right. And what's a letter? Why do we write letters? Well, do we write letters so that people can learn? Do you remember when we've talked about writing letters before?
Yeah.
We've written letters before. Why do we write letters? You might write a letter to somebody that you miss. Why else might we write a letter, Kai? Have you ever written a letter, Kai? You've never written a letter?
Yeah.
Yeah, why have you written a letter? For thanking somebody? I have too. I've written a letter to thank somebody for sometimes they buy me a present. I've thanked them for that. That's good. Have you ever written a letter before, Brian?
Yeah.
Yes, what have you written a letter for?
When somebody dies, they die.
When somebody does what?
Die.
Oh, if somebody dies, who would you write the letter to? To the person that died or to somebody who's feeling sad?
Die.
How would they be able to read the letter if they already... Oh, maybe. Then maybe they might be able to read it at a later time. That might be right. Okay. So you're right. Inside here, there are a bunch of letters that we're going to read. And sometimes, as you mentioned, Brian, we do write letters to people when they're far away from us. Okay? Sometimes we're not always able to talk to them on the phone, or we're not able to always see them. So we will write letters. Inside here, we have two characters. Can you touch the two characters that you see on the book? We're going to look at the cover, Kai. What are the two characters? Okay, that's right. You are going to meet Elena, and you are going to meet Miguel. And Elena and Miguel are called pen pals. Have you ever heard that before, pen pals?
Nope.
Let me ask you if you've ever heard the word pals before.
Yeah.
You've heard that? Where have you heard the word pals before? You have? Who are pals in SpongeBob?
SpongeBob.
And who might be a pal?
Patrick.
And Patrick, they're pals, that's right. Boys and girls on the rug, this is your first warning. Remember, you need to be reading together, taking turns, and 2-inch voices, bandana.